Take your meals.
Guapo. It's my son, Ru. Today is family day. We're going to SM. And yes, my son Ru yan. He has a channel, Discover Ru. Yan. So, punta tayo ng SM from Middle Quarry. Hopefully hindi traffic, makapark sana tayo. So, it's Sunday. Father's Day pa, madaming mga lalabas for sure. So, sana walang traffic. So, happy Father's Day sa mga fathers natin. Just like me, we're all trying to be the best for our family. So, God bless to all of you, mga fathers dyan na mga super hardworking, super loving, caring. Huwag tayong dapat malakas tayo parati. More blessings to all of us. Okay, nandito tayo ngayon sa old house namin sa Middle Quarry. Ito yung mga old decorations, painting. Ito yung great-grand lolo namin. Pinsan ng lolo namin, Ernie Mangsat. Painter siya. Yan. Wow, ang ganda din. Parang old, very old na gong yan. So, habang inaantay natin yung family natin, pakita ko lang sa inyo to. Nike Fly Ease. Ito yung gusto ko parati eh. Black siya, tapos white yung sole. So, yan. You can buy this from this video. Nike Fly Ease. Ganyan lang siya. Ang daling tanggalin. Daling balik. And magaan siya. Ito parati yung panlakad ko. Yun. If you want this, you can buy this from the original, official Nike shop. Lazada or Shopee. Lalabas dito sa video. So, yeah. Gustong gusto ko yun to. Nike Fly Ease. Nike Fly Ease. Okay, buksan na natin yung gate. Gagamitin natin tong sasakyan ni Mrs. ngayon. Quarry. Middle Quarry. Okay, we are newly registered, so gawin natin dito. Sasakyan ni Mrs. to. Ito ang gagamitin natin ngayon. Warm up lang natin. Okay, kakapark lang natin sa SM. Medyo nahirapan. Pero, let's go! So, ito, nakapark na tayo. Ito si Mrs. Si second son ko, si Wu. Tapos ito, yung Nike Fly Ease. Ito yung second son ko, si Ryut. Si Lola Lut. Si Mama Lucy. Nike Fly Ease. Bilhin nyo lang sa mabibili nyo dito sa video na to. Ang ganda, Nike Fly Ease. Oh, Happy Father's Day. Puro pang tatay ito, pang tatay. Kings. Pang tatay lahat. Ford Territory.
Spirilla is regular iced tea. Isa po po either Spirilla is regular iced tea and isa po 1 Sprite tea. 1,000.
Oo. Oo, dito na. Oo. Okay, alis tayo ng SM, punta tayo ng John Hay. Camp John Hay. Maglilibre daw si Mrs. sa Starbucks. Bali. Okay, Starbucks with Mama, my first son Ryu, and my wife and my son there.
Walking like this. Or smooth. It should be smooth like my skin.
Oh, it should be so that wheels will not.
Stay on the side, Ru. Oh, that's my son, Ru. Hey, diner dyan. And then this one, Starbucks. Dito kami. Hello, Ru. Wait, there's a car.
Running and I go back.
Yes.
Okay.
Hello everyone, we are already home. Happy Father's Day to everyone. More blessings to all of us. Thank you for watching.